Hi, you guys. I hope you're having a great week. This week in stats, you guys are going to have two assignments. The first assignment is this one, the bar of soap problem. And you're just going to watch me do some example problems here with this bar of soap problem that will help you on your NFL project. The NFL project is going to be worth 50 points. This bar of soap problem's worth 10, but you definitely want to watch this video right now because it's going to help you with the NFL regression problem. If you want to work with a partner on the NFL, you can. This bar of soap problem, you'll just have a quick Schoology quiz that you can do with that. What this data is about I found it in an old stats book. It's about how much a bar of soap weighs. And this guy from Australia, his name was Rex, he would weigh his soap before he took a shower. And as you notice, day one, it was a full, probably new soap of 124 grams. And then as you kind of work your way down, the soap weighs less and less because he's using up the soap. Notice he did forget some days to measure the soap, which is okay. So what I've done is I've opened up a Google sheet and I went ahead and I typed day and weight in grams right here. So you're going to have to do that on your NFL project. You're going to have to open a blank Google sheet and you're going to have to type this in. But remember, you can work with a partner if you want. So when I highlight this and I go to chart, this should be review. We can create a scatter plot. If the scatter plot doesn't come up, you just click on type of graph and you just select scatter plot, the one that says scatter. Okay. To get our line to show up and to get our equation, you go to customize and we're going to go to, well, it did the title for me. So we're going to go down to series and scroll down to trend line and then scroll down again to label. This is where you get your equation, use equation. And do you guys see now, here's our equation, y equals negative 6.31x plus 133. And then if you click on the show r squared, there's our r value. Now, some of you guys were trying to screenshot your whole screen. You don't need to do that. Just go to these three dots and go to copy chart, go back to your document, and I'm going to go ahead and paste my chart right down here. There we go, just like that. So here's some questions that we are going to answer. All right, so there's my equation, and we're going to just answer these questions. So my linear regression equation, I'm going to have to look at it again. Y equals negative 6.31x plus, I think it was 133. I'll go back and look. Yep, the correlation coefficient, remember, it's just r. This is showing r squared. So to get the correlation coefficient, we want to take the square root. That is not the same as dividing by 2. You guys know that. Take the square root of 0.996 and you get a really strong correlation, 0.998. That's our, you know what, I'm going to even say r equals 0.998. And you know what? Is it a positive or negative correlation? If you take the square root of this number, it could be positive or negative. So I almost missed that. I would actually want to say that my correlation is negative 0.998. Okay, let's describe the slope in context. So remember, X is days and Y is weight of the soap in grams. When you start your sentence, you always start with your X variable. So for each day, the weight of soap, and since it's negative, we're going to say decreases by 6.31 grams. Don't say anything about the 133. So you're going to have to do the slope in context. The next thing I'm going to show you guys is how you're going to run a linear regression t-test. I'm going to show you that in a separate video. So you're going to have to create your own spreadsheet like this. You're going to have to type in the numbers. You're going to have to create a graph and copy and paste it. You're going to have to tell me the equation and the R value. So these are things you've already done in the past couple weeks, but you're going to do